I am Chef Julie. I am the owner and founder of Costing Boss. When I started this business, I struggled with pricing my baked goods, and I couldn't find the right tool to help me anywhere online. So I decided to take matters into my own hands and create the recipe costing calculator. And I wanted to make it easy and efficient for home bakers just like you to be able to make a profit on every single order. The recipe costing calculator was born out of my own struggles, and now it's my mission to make sure that every baker has access to this powerful tool. I'm so confident this tool will transform your business that I'm offering a 7-day free trial. This free trial includes a full recipe breakdown, a conversion chart, and a how-to use video. This calculator is going to remove all of the guesswork and hesitation when it comes to knowing how much it costs for you to make the recipe that you're making. So you know exactly what to charge, and it'll also immediately allow you to make a profit on your very next order. Are you ready to take your baking business to the next level? The recipe costing calculator is going to remove all of the guesswork and hesitation when it comes to knowing how much it costs for you to make a recipe. So you know what to charge your customer, and it'll also immediately allow you to make profit on your very next order. So click on the link below that says start your free trial now and gain access to the recipe costing calculator, the free video guide, and the free conversion chart. It's definitely time to stop guessing and start making some serious dough.
You buy at the store. If you buy more or less, you can definitely enter that in there. And then the cost, if you have your receipts or if you know how much you paid for the ingredients, then you'll definitely want to use that. Or you can go to, if you go to Walmart, you can go to walmart.com and see what they're currently charging. If you recently bought it, it would probably be about the same price. So if it says, $4.50, if you don't have your receipt. If you have your receipt, that's even better. But anyways, let's continue. So once you enter in the cost, then you're going to click on add to list. And then you'll see that it'll drop it down here for you. And there's a whole bunch of math that it does. Like, this calculator does so much math in the background. You guys have no idea. And it makes me super excited because typically, like, it will take you about an hour to write it all down. Especially if you have a recipe like cinnamon rolls. It's got like a list like this of ingredients. Like, it could take you a really long time to add all of that up by hand on pen and paper. So this tool is going to eliminate all of that time for you, and it does it automatically. I love it. It makes me so happy. Anyways, we'll continue. So the sugar, we'll put in next, just random, like anything after flour, you don't have to put in a specific order. It's just flour goes first. So we'll put in sugar next, and we'll put it's 200 grams of sugar, and I purchased mine in about 5-pound bags, and the cost we'll put about $2.50. I think that was about the last price I paid for it. And then we'll put in some baking soda, and I need about 10 grams in this recipe. Sure, like I said, this is not a real recipe, but that's a good amount for baking soda, like a typical amount. So anyways, all right, so quantity purchased. I know I bought mine in a 3-pound bag, and I know that I paid $5 for it. So I will add that, and then we'll add some butter. And the butter, we'll need 125 grams. Quantity purchased is a pound. That's typically what I buy. Sometimes I buy it in 3 pounds. The cost for it is about $4.50, and then you click add to list, and we'll add some salt, and we'll say 10 grams. Quantity purchase is about a 1-pound thing, and then the cost is about $2. All right, so now that we have our ingredients entered in, what happens if you're like, oh my gosh, I actually needed 15 grams of salt instead of 10. So what you'll do is you'll scroll down and you'll go remove from list. All right, and then you can go right back up here and you can put salt back in, and we'll say the 15 grams now, but I still purchased a 1-pound thing of it, and then it still cost me $2.50. So I don't have to update anything else, and then I click add to list, and it re-adds it for you. So then you come down here and you see this $2.58. This is the total cost of what it costs to make the entire recipe. So say it's a batch of 36 cookies, right? Then that's going to add all of that up for you. We'll say $2.58, and then we'll go to the calculator and we'll put $2.58 times 3. Once you times it by 3, that's going to get you your gas to the store to go get the ingredients. It's going to get you your labor cost, your electric bill for using the oven and stuff like that. So that's why you times that number by 3. All right. And then so the minimum amount that you're going to charge, and say they want 12 cookies. So the minimum amount you're going to charge is going to be $7.74. Anything over 50 cents, I would typically round up and say $8. Okay. And then once you round that up, if you typically charge about $1 a cookie, you can still do that. You just know that you're making profit. Anything over $7.74, you're making pure profit. That's it. That's how you use the calculator. It's super easy. It takes just a couple of minutes to enter in everything once you've converted everything from cups to grams. And if you guys have any questions about this, please let me know. I will be available for questions, so you guys can email me at julie@costingboss.com. And if you guys need anything, let me know. Otherwise, I hope that you guys enjoy this calculator, and I am so excited to see how it helps you, and I can't wait to hear about it from you guys. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
All right, it's time to get serious now. You've seen the power of this tool and you know that it's a real deal. So if you're serious about taking your baking game to the next level, then you need to take action right now. Click that Start Free Trial button now and get ready to transform your business. And here's the best part. Once you enter your email, you will instantly receive a magic link in the email that you entered to access your trial. It's that easy. There's no waiting, no hassle, and you gain instant access to the most powerful tool for home bakers on the internet. So what are you waiting for? Click that button and start your free trial now. Let's get baking like a boss. Yeah. And here's the best part. Once you enter your email, you will instantly receive a magic link in the email that you entered to access your trial. It's that easy. There's no waiting, no hassle, and you gain instant access to the most powerful tool for home bakers on the internet. So what are you waiting for? Click that button and start your free trial now. Let's get baking like a boss. Yeah. All right, I'll see you guys. Bye.